smart work. Hard work is to refers and the putting of the lots of the efforts. It is the energy of the characteristics, and by the persistence of the hard work, and the to refer and the storing work and the people of the who really hard work and the smart work. Hard work personal and the refers to the in a lot of efforts, time and the energy to the time and the energy to the storing and the uh, discipline and the to the runtime of the mm, to the runtime of the efforts and the task, and to the consuming and the hard work after to the smart work requires more time which and the to develops and the skills is to develops of the skills and the to dedication of the committing and the along to the and the doing repetitive task and to skills and the management of the time is the refers and the to consistency storing and the work is the storing and the work is the to the develop of the skills and the to smart work is the to the focuses of on the using of the inflex of the strategy and the efficiency to the um, strategy and the efficiency to the required skills of the required skills of the knowing how to the refer of the smart involves to the learning tools and the technicals of the requires initial of the hard work, and the short term focus of the short term focus on the some of the working and the methods of the always and the two faster long term and the development of the strategy and the efficiency of the complete task and the methods of the better sees the results of the less of the priority and the organizing is the optimize the productivity. It is the applying to the innovating and the better of the past time the conservation and the time conservation and the um, time conservation of the smart work is the about the working and the efficiency is the amount of wasted to the wafers and the resources is the instead methods and the complete your task is the complete your task, and there is the involves learning and the tools and the learning tools and the technique is the which may requires of the require initial of the smart work, is the short term focus of the some smart of the working methods and the focus on the quick wins and the may of the not always and the may of the not always of the mm, faster of to the term development is the technology and the systems of the streamline task and the to the reduce manual efforts applying to innovative of the smart work. Smart work is the Smart work is the efficiency of the efficiency of the achieving better of the results, and the time conservation of the